For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has captured the world's imagination, an area in the Atlantic Ocean between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico where ships and planes are said to vanish without a trace. Over the years, it has been blamed for swallowing up more than 1,000 lives. Mysterious disappearances, strange weather, compass malfunctions. The legend grew, turning this patch of sea into one of the greatest mysteries on Earth. But here's the question. Is the Bermuda Triangle really a cursed zone? Or is the truth far more ordinary and more scientific than we think? Tonight, we dive deep into the evidence, the myths, and the science of the Bermuda Triangle, and see if in 2025 we finally have answers.
The idea of the Bermuda Triangle exploded in the mid-20th century. Books and magazines told stories of countless ships and planes vanishing with no distress calls, no wreckage, and no survivors. One of the most famous cases is Flight 19, a squadron of 5 US Navy bombers that disappeared during a training flight in 1945. Despite massive search efforts, neither the planes nor the pilots were ever found. Another case, the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship carrying more than 300 men, vanished in 1918 without a single SOS signal. Stories like these fueled the legend, a place where nature, or perhaps something supernatural, destroys human technology. Over time, theories ranged from aliens and sea monsters to time warps and underwater pyramids. But the real question is, how much of this mystery is real, and how much is simply myth?
Scientists point out something crucial. The Bermuda Triangle is one of the most heavily traveled areas in the world. With thousands of ships and planes crossing every year, accidents are statistically inevitable. The U.S. Coast Guard and the NOAA have repeatedly stated that the triangle shows no greater risk than any other busy part of the ocean. In other words, the number of incidents here is not abnormal. It just feels mysterious because of the media attention. So what could explain the accidents that did happen? Storms. Violent weather can appear quickly in this region. Powerful currents. The Gulf Stream can sweep away debris in hours, leaving no trace. Magnetic anomalies. Compasses can behave unpredictably near the equator, leading to navigational errors. From a scientific perspective, the Bermuda Triangle isn't cursed. It's a dangerous, complex, and busy ocean area, where normal risks get amplified. In recent years, one explanation has gained traction: rogue waves. These are massive, freak waves that can rise more than 30 meters high, powerful enough to snap a ship in half. Satellite data and simulations show that the conditions in the Bermuda Triangle, where multiple weather systems and ocean currents converge, make rogue waves more likely here. A wave that size could easily explain sudden disappearances. It would strike without warning, overwhelm a vessel, and leave almost no debris. Researchers in 2023 and 2024 have even suggested that rogue waves might be the most realistic solution to the Bermuda Triangle mystery. Not aliens, not curses, just the raw, terrifying power of the ocean. So, if science has answers, why does the legend of the Bermuda Triangle refuse to die? The answer lies in human psychology. We love mysteries. We're fascinated by the unknown. Stories of vanishing ships and planes are far more exciting than hearing about storms, bad navigation, or human error. The Bermuda Triangle has become a cultural myth, featured in movies, books, and countless documentaries. And every time a new incident happens, the legend grows. But here's the truth. The Bermuda Triangle is not a supernatural death trap. It's a place where nature is powerful, accidents happen, and human imagination fills in the blanks. So, has the mystery been solved? Perhaps scientifically, yes, but in the minds of millions, the Bermuda Triangle will always remain a symbol of the unknown.